What is that thing? We have to get out of here! Run for your lives! Run for your...
Command, this is Alpha Control. We have confirmed reports of a red giant monster attacking New York City. Multiple structures hit. Civilian panic ongoing.
Get the launchers raised, hydraulics engaged.
Status green. We are locked and loaded, ready for mission.
Help us! Please, someone help us! What is going on? Get inside!
Don't leave me here! Run! Get inside now! Look out! Look out!
Blizzard conditions approaching max tolerance. Expedite fueling.
Fuel line secure on Phantom 2-5, awaiting launch sequence.
Clear shot 3, clear shot 4. Final check, green across the board.
Command, Eagle Squadron has visual on New York City. Heavy snow conditions. Standing by for engagement orders.
Alpha team going up. We're heading to the roof.
Copy that. Watch your corners.
Eagle 1, we are approaching the primary exclusion zone, requesting permission to proceed.
Negative, Eagle 1. Hold your position until further notice. Stand by.
Mayday, Command, we are taking heavy fire, requesting immediate extraction vector.
Negative, Ghost Rider. Continue mission objective. Secondary explosions reported at your 12 o'clock.
Targets acquired. Firing weapons hot. Breaking right. Defensive maneuvers initiated. Get up! Get up! I can't move! Help me!
Keep going, don't stop! Hold up! Echo, check the roof line!
See movement up there.
They're still moving. Repeat, they are still moving.
Watch the right flank, watch the right flank.